Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson V7 only lasts a few minutes before needing a recharge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that typically arises due to a failing battery. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further complications or even render your vacuum unusable. Thankfully, with a few simple steps, you can restore your Dyson V7 to its full potential. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery compatible with a Dyson V7, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back of the vacuum. Be careful not to lose these screws as they are small. Once the screws are out, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. With the casing removed, locate the battery. It will be easy to spot as it's the largest component within the casing. Carefully disconnect the battery by unclipping the connector, ensuring you don't pull on any nearby wires. With the connector released, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, making sure it's seated correctly. Reconnect the battery by pushing the connector back into place until you hear a click. Once you've secured the battery, it's time to replace the casing. Align the casing carefully, making sure not to force any clips. Gently press it back into place, and then use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws. Ensure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the threads. Finally, turn on your Dyson V7 and check that it functions properly, running for the expected duration. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your vacuum and avoid overcharging the battery. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.